In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import text from Notepad in Excel. By the end, you'll know the quickest, most reliable way to bring a plain text file, like something you typed in Notepad, straight into a clean, organized Excel table. Before we begin, make sure your text file is saved and that you have a rough idea of how the data is structured, such as whether values are separated by commas, tabs, or another character. Start by opening Excel to the workbook where you want the data to land. Go to the Data tab along the ribbon. This is where Excel keeps all of its import tools, and it ensures your data comes in with a consistent structure and refresh options. Next, choose from Text, CSV. This option handles common text formats like .txt and .csv, and opens a file picker so you can locate your Notepad file. If you don't immediately see your file, double-check the file type filter at the bottom of the window and browse to the correct folder. Select your text file to open a preview window. Excel will try to detect the delimiter and encoding automatically and show you a sample of how your rows and columns will look. Take a moment here to confirm the columns are splitting correctly and that any special characters display properly. If dates, numbers, or characters look off, it usually means the delimiter or file origin needs adjusting in the preview. When everything looks right, click Load. Excel will bring the data into your workbook, typically as a formatted table. Loading it this way keeps the connection to the source, so you can refresh it later if the file changes. Once the data appears, make adjustments so it's analysis ready. Rename the table to something meaningful, then format columns as needed. Set number columns to number or currency, and ensure date columns use the date format you expect. If columns look cramped, auto-fit them so everything is readable. Use filters to quickly check for unexpected blanks or odd values. If you spot misaligned columns or scrambled characters after loading, you can edit the import settings through the query to correct the delimiter, encoding, or data types. And if your source text gets updated over time, remember you can refresh the imported data so your worksheet stays current. That's it. You used the Data tab, selected from Text CSV, chose your file, clicked Load, and then fine-tuned the results for clarity and accuracy.